Welcome to our Code Crew. Today we're exploring the Arduino Uno Starter Kit. Let's get started. So the topic of today's video is Arduino Elegoo Uno Starter Kit. First of all, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform for building electronics projects. In simple words, Arduino helps make cool stuff. Example of cool projects people have made: blinking LED, temperature sensor, home security system, music player, smart door lock, and so on. Elegoo Starter Kit. In this slide, I'm going to be talking to you about the different equipment in the Elegoo Uno Starter Kit. The first one, Uno RT controller board, also called as the Arduino board. It's the brain that controls everything. Second one is LCD 1602 model with a pin header, a screen that shows text and number, 16 columns, 2 rows. RC522 RFID model, a card reader. It reads RFID cards or tags to identify user. Prototype expansion model, a breadboard shield for Arduino. Power supply model, a model that gives power to Arduino. GY521 model, it's an MPU 6050 model. Servo motor SG90 is a tiny servo motor that controls position. Stepper motor, a motor that moves in precise steps. ULN 2003 stepper motor driver model. Driver for stepper motor. ACSR501 PIR motion sensor model, detect movement. Sound sensor model, detect sound. Water level detection sensor model, detects level. Ultrasonic sensor, measuring distance using sound waves. DS1307 RTC model, tracks time. Or rotary encoder model, measures rotation. DHT-11 temperature and humidity model, temperature and humidity sensor. IR receiver model, gets signal from remote. Joystick model, control movement, remote control devices. MAX7219 model is what you use for driving LED displays. 1-digit 7-segment display show one number at a time using LED segment. 4-digit 7-segment display shows 4 numbers at a time using LED segment. L29 3D is a motor driver used to control motors. 74HC595 IC is a chip that helps control many lights or devices while using only few wires from the controller. Active buzzer. This is when power given to make a sound. Passive buzzer. This is when a signal is given to make sound. Potentiometer 10K. This is a small knob that you turn to control things like volume, brightness, or speed. 5V relay, switch controlled by Arduino. Fan and motor, produce spinning motion when powered. Membrane switch, used to send button command to the Arduino. Breadboard, used to connect and test circuits. 9V battery, portable power. 9V adapter, plug-in power. Jumper wire, connect components. Twiml to male wires, connect Arduino to parts. USB cable gives power or connects devices. Resistor slows down electricity. Thermistor, change with it. Diode receiver, electricity goes one way. 100 UF electrodes, capacitor stores electricity. 10 UF electrolyte capacitor stores a little electricity. NPN transistor PN2222 acts like a switch. NPN transistor S8050 another switch. Tilt ball switch turns on and off when titled. Button turns on and off when pressed. Red LED, red light. Yellow LED, yellow light. Blue LED, blue light. Green LED, green light. White LED, white light. RGB LED can show red, green, blue, or mixed colors. 1040 ceramic capacitor stores a tiny bit of electricity. 22 pF ceramic capacitor holds a little electricity. Photoresistor or photocell detects light. Getting started with Arduino. First of all, we're going to download Arduino IDE on your computer. Explore the menu bar, File, Edit, Sketch, Tool, and Help. Look at the editor where code goes and console/message shows info. No Arduino needed yet. Just get familiar with everything. Here's a tip: getting to know IDE first makes using Arduino easier. Conclusion. In summary, Arduino enables creative projects with Elegoo Kit. Thank you for listening.